to the traveling house. You guys, this is a little snack, a little sneak peek at where we're gonna go next Tuesday on Traveling House. And it's gonna be Hong Kong. And the great thing about Hong Kong is I found a little treat that doesn't need any flour. It is Hong Kong milk tea. So I'm gonna stay nice and clean this week. It's gonna be super easy, but because of that, I wanna surprise my family. I've been doing some research. I found out how to do it super fancy. So if we're gonna go super fancy, let me just do this. Yeah, so we got the bow tie, I got all my fancy dishes, and what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna take this fancy spoon and open, hey, what's up, kid?
We're making milk tea, which I don't know how to make, so how to make milk tea. How to order milk tea. Yay.
And what about you?
Thank you for joining us in this travel house snack. Make sure you like and subscribe so you can join us on our trip to Hong Kong. We're gonna make dumplings.